Hi, I'm Brian from Boat Shed de Bourgogne. We're looking into the aft cockpit of a Sheerline. Sheerline 950. Came out of the Sheerline yard in 2005. 62 horse, 5-cylinder Nani diesel. Very well presented boat. Just spin round. Have a look into that cockpit area. Really convivial. That table drops down and forms a third double bed. Bar fridge. I'll just make my way down 3 steps and we'll have a look into the saloon. Still quality finishings, lots of light, wood, warmth. Looking over to the galley on the port side. Kitchen fridge, full oven, grill, 4-burner cooker. Make our way forward to the forward cabin with its V-berths, 1.90 m. There is an infill to turn that into a very large double bed. Houdini hatches, mosquito nets throughout. Heads with shower again. Quality finishings. Light, bright and airy. That's an electric heads. There is a holding tank on this vessel. Just have a spin round. Have a quick look at the ensemble. Present owners live aboard for many months of the year, so this aft cabin, which is under the sole of the cockpit, has a 2 metre by 135 metre bed and a library right at the back there, but is presently used more for storage and stockage. Let's just have another look at this cockpit. It's the pièce de résistance of this really convivial Sheerline 950. If you'd like any more information, I'm Graham from Boat Shed, Bourgogne. All my contact details are on this information page.